so you can see oil breaking higher now. Here we go, testing $100.50 as I predicted. So I've got 10 contracts long and I'm going to be taking off 2 contracts at $100.45.
Amplify trading is a very good experience for our students because it enables them to understand how financial markets work in practice.
So throughout the week we have 3 hours to 4 hours of lectures, theoretical material, how do bonds work, how do interest rates affect currency valuations, what is an equity market and how to trade it. And then in the afternoon we move the traders through to a live trading room, live market prices linked to London, where they then execute their strategies under our mentorship and under our advice. So it's a real hands-on practical trading session for the students to get involved with.
There is a near exponential learning curve during the Amplify Trading Bootcamp, where you get to implement your decisions right there, right then. And the live prices you trade with change every second and you make gains and losses all the time.
I have learned so much about the financial markets, the various players that exist in the financial markets, the different asset classes that exist. And I've also had the opportunity to really take decisions based on news, based on information that flows in.
When our students go out into the real world, when they leave the university, then they have to deal with people, they have to make decisions, they have to manage risks, and they have to be able to translate what they learn from the seminars, from the textbooks, into the practical skills that they need to actually do their job in the investment world.
Just holding on, crossing your fingers and looking up to the sky is not gonna work out.
The way it's being delivered is very much real-life scenarios. So we're hearing news updates as they're being released, trading live prices, and it has really helped students apply their knowledge and take on the new challenges that a work environment would actually bring.
You know, as always, don't just focus on the headline and pull the trigger. You've got lots of information here.
The industry professionals tell you the facts and figures that are occurring at that time so that you can deal with the trades and shares on the live screens.
But it's been very enjoyable, and I hope you've learned a lot from this week, and it's something you take with you forward in your careers, but also in your memories of Stirling here this year.
There's a huge difference between speaking to a student that has some practical experience and a student that only has theoretical knowledge, because a big part of trading is not buying low and selling high and trying to allow your analysis to play through, but it's how you manage yourself in uncertainty. So I think they've learned a lot about their risk tolerance and a lot about their behaviour when they're wrong and when they're right. But also that real world experience that can go down on their CV, the first footstep on their career, to say to a prospective employer, this is what I know, this is what I've done, before they graduate.